Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer money from Skrill to Binance. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your Skrill app, and then what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all tap on this trade option given on the bottom. You simply have to tap on the profile like top left corner of the section, and then you're gonna access your profile settings. So once you have done, you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this a payment method just right over there. Make sure you're gonna add in the P2P payment method for you to have money from Skrill to Binance. Then here in this section you will be able to access P2P payment methods. So you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this add a payment method, which will simply open up a list of payment methods that you can add. So go ahead, type in Skrill on top and add that as a payment method. Once you're done, you're simply gonna go ahead, go to buy fiat or buy crypto. You're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this buy USDT, any of the once you have tapped on it, you will be able to choose your amount, choose a payment method as Skrill and pay for it. And if you're purchasing and selling something, you can again choose a method as a Skrill and receive the money like that. Simply goes for the buy and sale as well. Whenever you try to do the purchase and sale as well, simply gonna go ahead, choose the payment method as a Skrill, and you will be done. That is the way you can have your Skrill balance on your Binance, just like that. That is the way you can do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you, and yes, I'll see